Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Let's learn some colors and then we will draw 2D shapes. This is purple color, sky blue color, violet color, pink color, black color, red color, dark green color, parrot green color, dark brown color, yellow color, orange color, dark blue color. On the left side here, this is light green color, that is a parrot green, sky blue color, yellow color and dark blue color. Let's draw some 2D shapes. Triangle, rectangle, semicircle, hexagon, square, heart. Let's color these shapes. Brown color, dark blue color triangle, yellow color, yellow color rectangle, sky blue color, sky blue color semicircle, light green color, light green color hexagon, dark blue color, let us mix it with yellow color. This is our square, blue and yellow color, sky blue color, and the other side dark blue color. You can use one color. Wow, so we have got these shapes. Let's make a revision. Triangle, dark blue color, rectangle, yellow color, semicircle, sky blue color, hexagon, light green color, square, blue and yellow color, heart, dark blue and sky blue color. Hope you like this video. Subscribe our channel, do the same practice, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.